Jai Shanidev friends, I welcome you all on my YouTube channel and I pray to Almighty to offer blessings to all of you and fulfill all your wishes. I am very thankful to all my subscribers and I hope I will be getting your support like this in future as well. Very soon I am going to publish video on how will be the year 2022 for Aries Ascendant. As for Aries Ascendant, year 2022 will be very important year as there will be transit of Rahu, Saturn and Jupiter, and these transit play very important roles in anyone's life when we talk about any aspect of life, whether it is career, family life, finances or health. So what will be the impact of these transits on your life during the year 2022? To know about this, subscribe my channel and press the notification bell so that you will get the latest updates of this channel. In this video we will discuss the detailed analysis of Aries Ascendant for the month of September 2021, and people who want to learn Vedic astrology, my videos will be helpful to them as well, as I will try to explain you how I have given predictions. There are different sections in this video. In these different sections we will discuss the impact of planetary transits during the month of September on your career, on your family life, on your health, on your finances, on your romance life, and finally at the end of this video we will discuss the best remedies which will help you during the month of September. So if number 1 is written in the first house of your horoscope and LA, which stands for Lagna or Ascendant, is also written in the same house as you can see in this particular birth chart, then this monthly birth chart analysis report September 2021 is for you. For other ascendants or Lagna prediction for the month of September, you can watch my other videos. During the month of September there are very important planetary transits of Jupiter and Venus, as Jupiter will be in the retrograde movement and will be placed again in the 10th house in conjunction with Saturn. And what will be the impact of these planetary transits on your career, on your finances, on your health, on your family life? We will be discussing all this in this particular video. So let's move forward and first discuss about your career during the month of September. Period from 1st to 6th of September, your birth chart will look like this. As you can see here, during this period Jupiter is in the 11th house, Saturn is in the 10th house, Rahu is in the 2nd house, Ketu is in the 8th house, Sun and Mars conjunction is there in the 5th house, Mercury and Venus conjunction is there in the 6th house. So let's move forward and discuss what will be the impact of these planets on your career. During this period Sun is in the 5th house and Mars is also there in the 5th house of birth chart. That means the Lord of the 1st house and Lord of the 5th house is in the 5th house of birth chart, and this period will be the most auspicious period for Aries Ascendant, as Sun is the most benefic planet in Aries Ascendant and currently is in its own sign. And you will observe during this particular period that some special incidents will happen in your life. All your tasks which got stuck in the past will restart again. If you are facing any sort of mental stress in your work, in your business, that will remove here. If you are not getting results of your hard work during the past and you are facing challenges in getting promotion in your job, then during this period you will be getting very positive results here. There are chances that your travel related to your job or business will increase here, and these travel trips will give you good gains in your career in the coming period. This period will give you some opportunity in gaining some knowledge. That means if you are planning to attain some sort of degrees or some courses related to your job or business, then this period will help you a lot in that. If you have done a lot of hard work during the past few months and you were not getting results in that, then during this period you will be getting very positive results of your hard work. Your hard work will pay here. People who are into share trading will be getting some very good results in that as well. If you are into some sort of analysis work, those who are into IT sector will be getting good opportunities in career. Students who are preparing for government job exam, this period will give you very positive results in that. For students, your focus in studies will increase, your concentration in studies will increase here. What will be the impact of this on your health and family life? We will discuss this in our health related section and family related section later in this video. Mars is the Lord of the 1st house, and during this period Mars is in the 5th house, from where Mars will aspect the 8th house, 11th house and 12th house of birth chart, as you can see with the help of these arrows, due to which there are chances of some foreign travel in your business or job. People who are into some sort of research work will get some great achievement in that. If you are into software development, then there are chances of getting some good opportunity during this particular period. Placement of Mars in the 5th house will give you some unexpected gains in your career and sudden opportunities in business and career. If you are running any sort of business with your friends, then during this particular period it will expand. You will be getting good growth in that. During this period, Mercury is in its own sign in the 6th house, and if you are my old subscriber, then you must be aware of the fact that whenever Lord of 6th, 8th or 12th house will transit from 6th, 8th or 12th house, then it will give you some unexpected gains, and these gains may be related to your finances, may be related to your career, may be related to some project which got stuck in the past. But on the other hand, you have to face the negative aspect of such planet in other aspect of your life, that is in your personal life and related to your health. Placement of Mercury in the 6th house will give you some good opportunity in import export business. In any work related to foreign land, there are chances that your visa got stuck in the past, then you may get some positive news for that. During this period, if you face any interview for any sort of job, then this period will give you excellent results in that. During this period, Rahu is in the 2nd house in Taurus, from where Rahu is aspecting the 6th house, 10th house and 8th house of birth chart, due to which there are chances that there will be some instability in your thought process. While speaking, you have to keep control on your words, otherwise it will impact on your business or job in a negative manner. If you are running any family related business, then this period will be not so favorable for it. During the current period, Saturn is in the retrograde movement and is in the 10th house of birth chart. As I told you before as well in my previous videos, if during the past few months or even years you are planning to do any sort of technical course and or attain any education side by side with your job, then this period will confirm that. This period will give you very favorable results in that. You will be able to successfully complete such courses. Such type of technical degree or course will certainly help you in the future in enhancing your career and will be helpful in your future career growth. As Saturn is in the retrograde movement, so this period is the period of refining of your career. More stability in the coming period. All the instability which you are facing in your career during the past few years will be removed in the coming period. If you are not getting results of your hard work during the current period, then keep working hard and your hard work will pay you as soon as the retrograde movement of Saturn will end. This period may give you some new opportunities in life. If you are planning to start any new project or any small business along with your job, then this period will support you, but you have to note that it may be possible that during the initial phase you will not get that much of response in your new project or business, but as soon as the retrograde movement of Saturn will end, then you will start getting very positive results of your new business here. And if you have started any new business in the past but you are not getting that much of result of your hard work, then during the coming few months as the retrograde movement of Saturn will end, you will start getting positive results in your business. You have to keep this in mind. If you stop putting your efforts, or we can say stop doing hard work during the current period, then you will not be getting positive results in the coming period from Saturn. So it is advisable to keep putting efforts and be positive here. As I have already discussed with you in my previous video, that the current transit of Saturn in the 10th house in Aries ascendant chart has come after 30 years, and this movement of Saturn in the 10th house is very important for your coming life, and this movement will lay foundation of your future. So keep working hard so that you will be getting positive results of Saturn in the coming years. During the current period, Jupiter is placed in the 11th house of birth chart. From the 11th house, Jupiter aspect will be on the 5th house, 3rd house and 7th house of birth chart, as you can see with the help of these arrows. Placement of Jupiter in the 11th house will help you to increase your source of earnings. That means it will create multiple source of income for you. There are chances that if you are into job, then you will start some other work parallelly with your job as well. As Saturn is in the retrograde movement in the 10th house and Jupiter is in the 11th house, both these conditions will create some new opportunities for you. It will help you in starting some new project or business here. Jupiter will help you in maintaining stable mind, also enhanced decision making power. Your focus on your work or project will increase here, which will increase the productivity and profit in your business. For students as well, this period will be very favorable, especially those who are preparing for some competition or some exam. This period will give you positive results. If you are into partnership business, then you will see stability in that as well. Your relation with your partner will improve here. If you are running any sort of business with your younger brother and sister, then this period will give you some positive results in such business as well. Period from 6th to 17th of September, your birth chart will look like this, as you can see here. During this period, Mars will transit from the 5th house to the 6th house of birth chart, and Venus will transit from 6th house to the 7th house of birth chart, as you can see here. Transit of Venus is the most important transit of this month, as Venus will make Malavya Panch Mahapurush Yoga in your birth chart, which is very auspicious yoga in Vedic astrology. During this period, Mars will transit from the 5th house to the 6th house of birth chart, and Mars will aspect the 9th house, 12th house and 1st house of birth chart, as you can see with the help of these arrows. During this period, Mercury is in the 6th house. Mars is also the lord of the 8th house, due to which there are huge possibility of unexpected gains which you never think of it. This will be related to your job or business. There are chances that any of your project which got stuck in the past and you have lost all hope in that, it will suddenly start giving you gains. There are huge chances of some foreign travel during this particular period. People who want to go abroad, who want to settle abroad, this period will give you some very good opportunities in that. There are chances that your workload will increase, due to which it will impact on your health, which we will discuss in our health related section later in this video. Venus is making Malavya Pancha Mahapurush Yoga in your birth chart, which is very important yoga during this particular period. If you are running any partnership business, if you are facing mental stress in that, then it will remove that. Your partnership business will give you very positive results here. If you are facing any sort of mental stress due to your partners, that will also remove here. Any sort of mental stress related to your professional life will reduce. Your decision making power will improve here. You will feel positive energy inside you. What will be its impact on your married life? We will discuss this in our family related section later in this video. Period from 18th to 26th of September, your birth chart will look like this, as you can see here. During this period, Sun will transit from 5th house to the 6th house of birth chart, and Jupiter will be placed in the 10th house in conjunction with Saturn in the retrograde movement, which is one of the most important transit of this month. During this period, two very fiery planets, that is Mars and Sun, are there in the 6th house, due to which during this particular period you will get victory on your enemies. That means if you are giving any interview, if you are into any competition, then during this particular period your chances of selection is very high. If you are into some sort of legal issues or any legal proceedings are going on, then during this particular period you will overcome that. Chances of victory in such legal cases are there in the coming period. When Sun is placed in the 6th house, then it will make you more responsible towards your job, towards your career, due to which it will be difficult for you to manage your work-life balance, and it will impact your married life, which we will discuss in our family related section later in this video. During this period, Mars and Sun conjunction is there in the 6th house, due to which you have to keep yourself away from any sort of heated arguments. If you drive any vehicle or go to gym, then you have to be very careful. If you are facing any sort of predicaments related to your visa, then all those predicaments will be removed. During this particular period, Jupiter will be in the retrograde movement, due to which there will be some stability in your career. But due to two big planets conjunction is there in the 10th house, there are chances of some delay in your career related matters. This period will give you opportunity to attain some knowledge related to your job or business. You may also achieve some education related to your profession during this particular period. Your faith in religious activities may increase. You will find some stable career path at your birthplace only. If you are planning to invest in some property during this particular period, then it will give you some gains. You will get some long-term gains from some investment in property during this particular period. So that's all about your career during the month of September. Now let's move forward and discuss about your health during the month of September. During this period, such people have to be very careful who have problems related to their nerves or backbone. This period may create trouble to you. Keep doing physical exercise will be beneficial for you. Period from 8th to 10th of September and 21st to 24th of September is not so favorable for your health. You may face uneasiness, you may face trouble related to your sleep during this period. You may also face some issue in the lower abdomen area during this particular period. So that was all about your health during the month of September. Now let's move forward and discuss about your finances during the month of September. Period till 15th of September will be very favorable period for your finances. Your savings will increase. If you are facing some mental stress during the past few months, then this period will solve your issues related to your finances. Period from 10th to 12th of September, you may get some unexpected financial gains in your business or from your investments. Period from 13th to 15th of September, your expenses may increase. Avoid doing any expense which is not very important for you, otherwise this period may give you some mental stress. Period after 15th of September, your expenses may increase, and these expenses may increase due to your health related issues. So be careful about your health during this period. So that was all about your health during the month of September. Now let's move forward and discuss about your romance life during the month of September. If you are single, then during the period 9th to 12th of September, you may fall into relationship, you may fall in love. If you are into relationship, then period after 6th of September will be very favorable period for your relationship matters. Your bonding will improve. All your stress related to your relationship issues will be removed here. So this period will be very favorable for your romance life. So that was all about your romance life during the month of September. Now let's move forward and discuss about your family life during the month of September. Period after 8th of September, your mental stress related to your married life will reduce. If you are facing any sort of issues in your relationship matter, that will removed here. But due to your excessive workload, there are chances that you won't be able to give time to your family, due to which there are chances of some conflicts may happen in your married life. So better to give some time to your family life during this particular period. If you are facing any sort of conflict with your children, then this period will improve that. This period will give you some positive results related to your family matters, and your issues with your children will be resolved during this particular period. Period after 16th of September, if you are facing any sort of mental stress related to your mother, then this period will improve that. Health related issues of your mother will also get reduced during this particular period. So that was all about your family life during the month of September. Now let's move forward and discuss about those most important remedies that will be beneficial for you during the month of September. On 2nd September, after 7:30 p.m., take one coconut. After rotating it 11 times around your head in anti-clockwise direction, throw this coconut in a river or a canal. On 18th of September, from 6:30 a.m. to 6:55 p.m., donate red lentils, 2 meter red clothes to some needy person. Feed dogs daily after sunset. Donate some medicine in any charitable hospital once in a week. So these were the best remedies which you have to follow during the month of September and will be very beneficial for you. So that was all about the Aries Ascendant for the month of September 2021. May Almighty bless you always, and thanks for watching the video.